So hello guys, I just discovered a very powerful software that helps you to create viral clips from a long message. So maybe it's a long sermon, or a long podcast or interview spanning to about 1 hour, 2 hours. This software helps you to break those long hours podcast, interview, or messages into short clips that you can post throughout the week or throughout the month. And I have tested it out. It is mind blowing. Trust me on this. So I just downloaded the software and I will show you how it works. So first thing, to get the name of the software is Viral Miner. So I will show you how to get it. Just go to viralminer.com. And on the home page here you will see the download button. Download it to your laptop. It's about 400 MB size or so when I downloaded it. So it's so amazing. So download it and install it. So when you finish downloading it, it's going to save to your laptop. So just make sure you install it just as you're going to install any software. So it's just the same way. This is it on my laptop. So this is the software, Viral Miner. So you just install it. I've installed it, so I don't need to install it again. So after the installation, you launch it. It's very easy to install. So install it, and then it's going to tell you to sign in with your email or Gmail. So it's either of them, email, Gmail, yeah. So you can either sign in directly with your Google, and if you have not got an account, you sign up with your Google, or you sign up with password and email. So immediately you create your account, it's going to, now I've created my account, I just need to sign in. So immediately you create your account, which is very simple. It's going to give you a code. It's going to give you an activation code. So the activation code looks something like, it's just set of code. You're going to see it when you create your account. Mine, I've already activated it, so that's why it didn't bring that, it did not show the code. So after you get that code, come to the settings here and paste the code. You are going to also get the code in your email. Yeah, you're going to get the code in your email too. So just ensure that you paste the code there inside from the settings activation key. Make sure you paste it there. Then you come to the basic lab here. So from this basic lab, what you just simply need to do is go to YouTube. The video you want to turn into a viral clip, go to YouTube and go and search out that video. So let me go back to YouTube. So you copy the link of that YouTube video and paste it here. So immediately you paste it here, you're going to choose, is it a sermon, a podcast, an interview, lecture, motivational, business, or so pick which which category that video falls into. So, and you pick, okay, how many minutes do you want the clip to be? Minimum of 1 minute and maximum of, so depending on you. So you have the liberty to make maximum of 15 minutes. So, and for a free account, you can make, now this is it, how many clips do you want to make out of this video? So maybe you put a 1 hour video, how many clips do you want to make? You can put 6, 5. 6 is the maximum for a free account, while 12 is the maximum for the basic account. I'm going to show you their pricing package later on. but I'm just using a free account. This is a free account. So immediately you create your account, they're going to give you 2 credits. 2 credits. I'm operating a free account and I've used my 2 credits, and just to test out the platform. Is very amazing, and I'm still going to buy some more credits. So paste in the YouTube link here and choose the length of the video and how many clips do you want. So let's check out their package. This is their package. If you want to check out their package, you click on the credit icon here. So for the starter package, 3005, you have 5 credits, and that 5 credit can mine 5 videos per month. So, and you can be able for per video you can be able to mine up to 12 short clips per video. That is it. And you also have other packages here, the 75, which is 15 credits for 15 videos. So, and you can use this on 2 devices, and this 35 credits for 15,000 naira, and you can be able to mine 25 videos per month. So it's very amazing. So in fact, with this, let's say you get this of 35,000 and 33, sorry, this of 3,500 rather, and you mine 5 videos, and you mine 12 shots out of these 5 videos. So that's 5 times 12. So 5 times 12 is the number of clips or shots that you are going to get per month. Now this is 60. So that's quite amazing. So let me show you some clips that I did with it. So immediately after you paste all those details there, it's going to show them here, it's going to bring them down. But then I've used my credit. I'll just show you the ones I did. So these are the ones I did. I pasted it's an interview. So, and it's generated it gave me 6 clips. So I did another one too. It was 2 I did. So this is one and this is the other one. So let me show you the videos. It has to connect to the server. So I believe they are still working on the platform, because I realized some kind of delay in loading and all that. But then it is just a newly launched platform, so you can trust that work is still going on. So, but then let me show you some clips that I was able to get from it. This is so.
It's a group of some experts will help you in the business office, and the reason why we do that is because we are consultants here. So one of the secrets that people don't know about.
Let me show you the finished edited video. Let me show you, because I went ahead to edit the video to add some background music sound to it, so that it can be more.
One of the secrets.
Yeah, so this is the finish. So guys, if you want to try it out, it's free. You have 2 free credits. You can go and try it out. So they will give you 2 credits for a start, and you can use that to try it out.